Everybody knows how important your roof is to protect your home from the weather, but you might not realize how important this little metal strip is to your overall roof system. It's called Eave strip or Eave metal. Now, many homes will have Eave stripping made from galvanized metal, which is designed to keep it from rusting, but without proper maintenance, it can become very unsightly with all the rust spots that can form. Now, one alternative is to replace it with this type of metal, which is a vinyl coated aluminum, which won't rust and it won't need any type of painting, just a little bit of cleaning from time to time. Now, generally it's replaced at the same time your shingles are replaced, but really it's fairly easy to replace it anytime. The shingles along the lower edge of the roof are gently lifted up so as not to damage them, and then a flat pry bar is used to remove the nails holding the eave strip to the decking. The new stripping is slipped in over the roofing felt but under the shingles. Finally, the trickiest part is nailing down the new strip while holding up the shingles. It's fairly labor intensive to change out eave stripping on a home, but nowhere near as much work as sanding, priming, and painting rusty metal.